I'd like to invite you into a simple breathing practice. There's nothing complicated about this, and nothing you need to get right. It's simply an opportunity to pause, to begin to take a moment to notice your breathing, and there's no need to change it yet. Just notice. Is your breath shallow or deep? Fast or slow? When you feel ready, adjust your posture in a way that feels comfortable for you. You might choose to sit upright, or you may prefer to lie down. Allow your body to be supported. Now, if it feels okay, place one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach. Notice where you feel your breath the most. Again, there's no right or wrong here. This is simply about awareness. When you're ready, gently breathe in through your nose, counting slowly to 5. And breathe out through your mouth, again counting to 5. There's no need to force the breath. Let it move in a way that feels natural for you. And continue with this rhythm. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you breathe, listen to your body. There's no rigidity here, just an invitation to respond to what your body needs. And if you're unsure of what your body is saying, you might gently try another round and notice how it feels. You may choose to repeat this 5 times, and if 5 feels like enough, you can stop there. If you notice you'd like a little more time, you're welcome to continue. As this practice comes to an end, take a moment to notice any small shifts, perhaps in your breath, in your body or your mind. And even if nothing feels different, that's okay too. You've taken a moment to pause, to listen, and to offer yourself some care. When you're ready, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm and gently bring your attention back to your surroundings, moving into the rest of your day at your own pace.